Welcome, dear students. Hope you all are doing well in your health and preparing well for your exams. Today, we will do exercise 2.4, question 6. The formula to measure the magnitude of earthquakes is given. If amplitude is 10,000 and reference amplitude is 10, what is the magnitude of the earthquake? As we know, formula to find magnitude is log 10 into amplitude divided by reference amplitude. Now, we will put values of A and a node in this formula. 10,000 divided by 10 equals 1000. 1000 को 10 power 3 लिख देंगे. Then, power law apply करेंगे, जिसकी वजह से 3 log से पहली आ जाएगा. Log के आगे दोनों values same है so, इनकी जगह 1 लिखेंगे. Hence, 3 into 1 becomes 3. Now, question 7. Abdullah invested rupees 100,000 in a saving scheme and gains interest at the rate of 5% per annum so that the total value of this investment after t years is rupees y. This is modeled by an equation y equals 1 lakh into 1.05, t greater and less than 0. Find after how many years the investment will be double. From question, we get investment amount, rate and double investment. We have to find time. As y is equal to 1 lakh into 1.05 raised to power t, put value of y in this formula. 1 lakh left side पे divide हो जाएगा. 2 lakhs divided by 1 lakh becomes 2. Now, take log of both sides. Write value of log 2 and apply power rule, जिसकी वजह से t log से पहले आ जाएगा. Log 1.05 की value left side पे divide हो जाएगी. Hence, t equals 14 years. Now, question 8. Hariya is hiking up a mountain where the temperature decreases by 3% for every 100 meters gained in altitude. The initial temperature at sea level is 20 degrees Celsius. Using the formula of T, calculate the temperature at an altitude of 500 meters. From question, we got values of initial temperature and altitude. As the formula is given, put the values of initial temperature and altitude in it. In power, 500 divided by 100 becomes 5. 0.97 power 5 becomes 0.8557. Multiply this value by 20. We got 17.174. Now, take log of both sides. Log of 17.174 is 1.2349. Log right side पे antilog बन जाएगा. Hence, 17.18 is the answer. Goodbye dear students. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.